eternal life. I am writing this to you so that you may know that you have eternal life. You that believe in the Son of God, we have courage in God's presence because we are sure that He hears us if we ask Him for anything that is according to His will. He bears us whenever we ask Him, and since we know this is true, we know also that He gives us what we ask for Him. If you see a believer commit a sin that does not lead to death, you should pray to God who will give that person life. This applies to those whose sin do not lead to death, but there is sin which leads to death, and I do not say that you should pray to God about that. All wrongdoing is sin, but there is sin which does not lead to death. We know that no children of God keep on sinning, for the Son of God keeps them safe, and the evil one cannot harm them. We know that belong to God even though the whole world is under the rule of the evil one. We know that the Son of God has come and has given us understanding, so that we know the true God. We live in union with the true God, in union with His Son, Jesus Christ. This is the true God, and this is eternal life. My children, keep yourself safe from false God.